Assalamu alaikum and peace be upon you. Hi guys, my name is Hidam Mushtaq and today I'm going to tell you how simple and easy it is to use fragments in your activities to create swiping applications. I have already made a detailed tutorial on this topic, but I thought I should show you how it's done. To start making our swiping application, just click on the Start a New Android Studio project. This will open a new project page. Now here you can configure your project. You can name it whatever you want. I will name it tabbing example like this and press next. This will bring you to the forms page. Here you can set your minimum SDK and tweak around some other settings. I will let them stay the same and press next. Alright, this will bring us to the add an activity to mobile screen. This screen shows all the different types of templates for activities that Android Studio provides for you to use. This is the most important screen for our tutorial. On this page, you need to select the option which says tabbed activity, which in my case is the last option here. This is the option, tabbed activity. After selecting it, press next. This will bring you to the Customize Activity screen, where you can name your activity and its layout resources, including the activity layout and the fragment layout. I will let everything be and press finish. After Android Studio is done setting up your project, it will then display its source code editor interface. At this point, if everything works smoothly, then your Gradle would successfully be built. If that is not the case and your Gradle fails to build, it's probably because your build tool version or some of your dependencies are not up to date. A quick fix would be to update whatever is required. I have briefly covered troubleshooting in the tutorial I posted on my blog. I will put a link to that in the description below. By the way, your build.gradle files shows the compile SDK version and the build tools version of your project. You can change and configure these from here. If your Gradle has built successfully, then you have successfully set up your tabbed activity and you can test run it on your Android device. However, if you do that now, you would just see a blank white screen. This is because your XML layout that's connected with your fragment is empty. So before going for a test run, just add a text view that says hello world in the fragment_main.xml file. I'll do this by adding large text view in the center of the screen and changing the text to hello world. After this, just press run. So this is what your app would look like on an Android device. This completes the introductory part of our tutorial. I have divided this tutorial into 3 parts. In the next part of this tutorial, I will explain to you how the code works, and then in the one after that, I will explain to you how we can modify the code to our will. I hope you will find this helpful. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel as I will upload more tutorials in the future. You can also visit my website where I have written the complete tutorial in my blog post. As mentioned earlier, I have added the link in the description below. Take care, stay happy and blessed. Wishing the same for your friends and family. Peace out.
Peace on the streets, son.